Can you make a decent beat using only Cubase's stock plugins, instruments, and sounds? Let's find out. Halion Sonic is kind of like Cubase's all-purpose instrument. There's all kinds of stuff in here. I've actually never tried these newer instruments, so I'm gonna try them for this project. Let's go for colors. I think I have a free version of it. I'm gonna use the same synth for the second melody. I'm just clicking these little blocks to get different sounds or different patches. Now I have these little plucky sounds, so I'm gonna add a pad to go underneath that. And Cubase has the perfect synth for that. It's called Pad Shop. So let's shop some pads. That's maybe a little too much. Just gonna quantize the lengths. I don't need them to overlap. That'll do. Ooh. How about we go back to Halion Sonic and choose like a real life instrument? There's a lot to choose from, so I think I should showcase that. So I just picked guitars. I can actually do these as well. And there are lots of options. I like the sound of this guitar. If I solo it, nice. Let's spice that up a bit. Some reverb. Some delay. Maybe another pad to give it a little more body. Retrolog is known as a bass synth, but you can tweak every little bit, so you can pretty much make anything. And I'm gonna use it as a pad. A bassy pad maybe, but a pad. I was thinking bells, but I'm not really crazy about this. So I'm just gonna let it loop and try some different sounds and see what sticks. That's not playing back my melody. I kind of like it though. Happy little accident. I changed this last part though. This is like a duplicate of the beginning, but with one less note. It's not playing any of the notes back correctly, but it sounds good. And that's what matters. Little flanger. I set this one to be a dynamic EQ, so that's this one over here. And then a high cut. Time for some drums. So they have a whole bunch of loops and samples in here. I have to be honest, I don't really use those, but I mean, there is so much in here. that I probably should use it. I mean, I might be missing out. But for drums, I always work with Groove Agent. This also has some pre-made kits and sounds that you can load in there. I also don't really use that, if I'm being really honest. But today, I am going to use the sounds that come with Groove Agent. So nothing will be from my own sample folders. It will all come from inside of Cubase. Since I don't know these sounds, this might take me a while to find everything I want. But as you can see, easy preview, and it immediately shows up in here. Okay, so I found all of my standard sounds, my kick, snare, a rim shot. I didn't find the clap I was looking for, so that's why I went for this. Maybe this one. Mm-hmm. 808 wise, I think I'm gonna have to create a 808 type bass because I haven't found one. I might have overlooked it. I might have not looked very long, but making it yourself is fun too. So let's do that. Of course, I'll be going to Retrolog, this one, blank canvas, sine wave, turn that down a couple of octaves. That's low enough. The fades, I think I'm gonna have fixed. That's a start. Probably add a second oscillator with a saw wave. Which one though? Lower it. Fixed. They're both on max. Seems about right. Maybe mono, so it can have a little attack even though it's not really there. Decay, sustain can go down, and a little release. Turn it up again here. It's got an 808 quality to it. Maybe turn ring modulation on, so that's between my two oscillators. Yes, some more distortion. That's a fat 808. Let's go with that though. Distortion type, that might be interesting. I think I'll go with clip. Clip and 808, those two words just match. I think we're there. This is the guitar for the verse. I added some high notes here for the effect. some more sparkles. That's this synth, Trip. The cornflake preset. Can never go wrong with a cornflake. I'm just gonna add some auto pan. Let me turn off the metronome. And then a little bit crusher. Eight-bit. Save it in the mix. Turn it up a little bit. I've done a little arranging, so I still have to work on the intro. I want to do something with the guitar, but then it's a verse, hook, and then already an outro. Simple arrangement. I do want to add a little transition before the hook. So I'm probably gonna find like a cymbal or crash sound and then reverse it. By the way, if you want to know how to easily snap the end of this sample to the grid, check out my last tutorial. What I'm gonna do is render this guitar part to audio, render in place. Then I'm going to reverse it, cut it up in pieces where it changes in here, or maybe every couple bars, yeah. And then I just reorder them. So they're back into their original position. Now we have this. Which actually sounds like the original, but with the reverse effect. I added some EQ automation, so you can see it right here, this little graph. And here's what that does. So it's slowly coming up. Just to make it swell, like make the intro swell into the verse. All right, so let's have a listen.
Hey Alice, what the fuck?
I really like those guitars, heavy guitars. I don't know what type of beat this is, but I think it's okay. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!